I think my power cut out. Went for a walk, I came back, my computer was turned off. Alright, let me get a reset up. Yo, what up? I'm back. That was a good walk. Alright, so what's the goal? What do I want done by the end of tonight? We've probably got another hour or two before I gotta dip. It's annoying that just broke up my flawless VOD. That's alright. It happens, man. So yeah, we shipped V10 earlier today. I don't think we'll get a V11 by the end of the day. Who knows? Maybe we will. I mean, as it stands, the only thing I've added right now is lighting, so it doesn't really make sense, but we could do it. We get a little mini one. I think maybe I do a few UX things now. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. Play the demo. And full game over at terrafactor.randy.gg. There we go. There it is. You can now log in with Discord. If that tickles your fancy. Alright. Well, let me pin that. That was the whole reason for typing that. There we go. Tremendous. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I think fixing some bugs would be pretty good. The automation bug right now is kind of fucked. Yeah, I don't know what the issue with the automation was. I guess we can look into it. Yeah, I think we do a few UX fixes and then push a build. What do we got? Yeah, probably like another hour or two. Maybe click to hold. It might be click to hold time, honestly. It wouldn't be that hard to do. And we can kind of nut it out in like maybe 20. So let's see. Let's see how we go. Key just pressed. Left mouse. Yeah. So the problem right here is that like kind of need some universal key just press left mouse. I could like do a really scuffed and overwrite this just for the left mouse. So if it's holding, then it'll fire every X amount of seconds. But that might be weird because then you could technically click to hold on a button and stuff like that. So it's probably unintended. What would we want to do? I think, yeah, just kind of patch it up wherever it needs to be patched up. Call it a day. Plant. This is just dead code now, I think. Goodbye. Was I doing anything special? I don't know. It's gone now. So yeah, we'll do a couple of UX things, push it up, and then call it a day. I think that's the play. We'll see how it goes. All right. Okay, let's do it. So, in order to do click to hold, what needs to be done? Well, we need some kind of concept of like firing off a click right now. So I would put that in the app state. I'm going to say fire click. Do click or something. So instead of checking the left mouse, we'll check this. So do click and then click, cooldown, end time. So we'll also just have a cooldown on this guy. So in the interact logic up here, we can just kind of do that. App state, don't click cooldown, end time. So if key down, look at that. Don't want to click to hold. Key down. Let's see. How are we doing? Are we live on YouTube? Yeah, cool. We're back. We're so back, dude. Unstable, hey? Chill. God, I fucking love Skyrim. Oh, dude, I really feel like playing some modded Minecraft. It's that time of year, dude. Just want to like take like 2 weeks off and just grind. I think it needs to happen. I don't know. Alright. What am I doing? Don't click to hold. So, if the left mouse is down, then we're basically just going to go if end time up, I think I called it. Yeah, maybe. Sorry, left down, left mouse. I'm really starting to lose it, man. Alright, end time up, then app state dot do click equal true, and then we just kind of set the cooldown on this guy equal to something like now plus 0.5. Now, if you're clicking, we want to incentivize clicking so that it's faster for the people who want to Chad sacrifice their finger in the name of epic win. We got to do an override for this. I don't really know what the solution here is, but say if key just pressed, then do click equal true. But we just gotta make sure that we hit the cooldown. So I'll change this to hold click cooldown end time. So we still want to cool down it, just not as intense. Alright, so if key is pressed, if end time up, this, then .1 or maybe even .05, I don't know. Say 100 milliseconds, we'll see. Then that's the new cooldown. Yeah, and then we do a click. Okay. Cool. Now this will get hit straight away as well, so that that should be fine, I think. So now we just check the app state do click for all the clicks, and it should be fine. So attackable logic, let's do that real quick. For the sword swing, that's going to be can attack, end time, blah blah blah, key just pressed. So this pattern now changes to if do click, then we consume it. So that's the pattern now. Using tool. I don't think I'm using this anymore, am I? No. So I'm going to get rid of that. Combat click on enemies to destroy them. Okay, fine. Crafting Ulta mouse use interaction. Interesting. Yes, this isn't needed anymore in here, because this is like, this should be all the way up the top here, honestly. Combat click, okay. Throw held item on ground. Yeah, we don't need to worry about that. Watering. Yeah, fuck it. We can do that. Oops. What did I literally just call this? Do click. Okay. Change that. Can't go there apparently. Mouse entity. Okay. This hash to do. Move this out. It's fine. Okay, let's keep going. So we got the app state do click. Okay, and now we want the shovel. Same kind of vibe. This equal false. There we go. Land till. Okay. Oh, this is right mouse. That's fine. We could probably do a click to hold on the right as well. We'll see. Damage system. Here we go. Here's the one that's gonna save lives. Alright. Click to hold is now in, boys. There you go. There you go. Moment of truth. Alright. It's pretty quick. I think the cooldown's working. It's a little bit too fast. Alright, can do click. Okay. Cooldown end time. Okay. Remember when I said this was fine? It's not fine. It's not fine. Actually, it should be fine. Ah, that's the issue. Alright, we're gonna pump that up. Maybe 300 milliseconds. Might be a nice sweet spot. Alright, it's very inconsistent. Weird. Something to do with this, I think. Left mouse click and then whatever this is. It's doing like double clicks. Right. Because by clicking and then afterwards it's also hitting this on the down on the second frame. Okay. So we probably need to rephrase this to be more like last click time. Okay, so key just pressed. If last click time I would say last click time takeaway now is less than 0. God, my brain's not working. How the fuck do I do this? If the time since this thing, I don't know what I would call this. Time since last click time is greater than 0.1. That's kind of the thing that I'm after, right? End time up. Let's go add a little function. Time since time. So we're gonna return now takeaway time. really. Let's think about it. So now is 10 seconds. And the time since was, that marker was 8. So that's 2. Yeah, that makes sense. Now what if it's reversed? What if time since is there? -2. That should be fine. Should be alright, man. Alright, so if the time since this is greater than 1, I just don't want to have to think about this again. If that's greater than 1, then we do the click, right? Do the click, and then we mark the new state last click time equal now. Okay. So then same dealio for this guy, except we are more rate limited on that. Now if this is 0, we're just going to return now, which is kind of sus. So I guess if time equals 0, then return 0. Is 0 greater than 0.1? No. So we kind of want to return infinity. Time since this, if it's 0, then we just return, I don't know, time since, because we want the 0 to effectively work here. So yeah, I mean, I would say we just return something like that, right? And just call it a day, and that will be fine, I'm sure. Look at that. Hold to click. There we go. And you can still spam click and go a little bit faster if you want. Okay. Now, I kind of want the key here to be it feels weird. Okay, it's just straight up broken now. Interesting. Ah, because the time... Okay. I see. I see what you did there. So... I guess we do need to be in the weld state then. We don't really need to be in the weld state, but if we want to reset, may as well. It'll just be a bit easier. GS do click. Alright, yeah. Time to make this feel good, because this feels weird. What the fuck is... Dude, what is happening? Like, what is that? It's got a mind of its own, dude. What the fuck going on? Ah, this needs to be in the frame. That's what's making it feel weird. So we can actually have it. No, we can't. Okay. That was an L. Maybe we just reset it every frame. So we just do like a... we go to the frame. We go to the frame reset. This is the end, right? No, this is the start. Okay, I mean, it'll work, dude. I think. Should be alright, mate. I think we just pull a little sneaky, mate. Do click equal false, mate. Yep. Everything looks good here, mate. Yep. Alright. Yep. So now you can go around just holding down the click. And it's, oh my god, it feels way better. I feel like I'm not going to get carpal tunnel. It's amazing. But if I want, fucking spam that shit. Like real men. There we go. GG. That's click to hold. Done. Oh yeah. That's where it's at, dude. Can you push this change I'm starting to play to on a spam click? Yeah, I got you, dude. I'll push it up by the end of the day. I'm hoping I didn't break a lot of stuff, but usually I do break things, and it is sad. But I hope I didn't. Oh, okay. We don't have a way to unlock torches right now, so I gotta fix that. That's broken. Anyway. Added click to hold. So we can also just have a an increase the clicking rate of things. That would be cool. Let me see if the sword swing works still. 'Cause you should now just be able to like hold down the sword swing. Don't actually have a sword being spawned in. Sword, flint sword. There you go. I got 10 of them. Great. Cool. We might need to make... No, we're gonna have a click to hold on the sword as well. Should be right. I might just have to slow it down. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Click to hold on this would also be nice. Yeah. Alright, what else are we doing? We gotta fix the automation bugs, because that's kind of fucking up the late game right now. What else? What did I literally just spot? Have you showered today? No. No, I have not. Fuck, what was it? Right, I needed to push the... Get that torch pushed out into the fucking tech tree, mate. Yep. Oh, actually, we already did that. Yeah. I need sleep, dude. Holy shit. So we should have a torch in the tech tree. Yeah, it's all the way over there, though. Maybe we make it a bit early game. Because the night might kind of suck. As it stands right here. Oh no, it's so dark, dude. It's over. Die. I mean, it's still playable. It might be too dark though if you're like outside on your laptop or something. Like, I might be kind of fucked. But I guess that gives you a reason to rush torches. Oh, daytime. Yeah. Alright. Let's fix the issues. Torches are craftable, they're fine. We're gonna chill. Let's fix the automation bugs, because that is kind of ruining the late game right now. So, what do we got? Another thing, I also have to do some kind of like world save. Solve, world save, override. Problemo. Yeah, let's fix the automation issues. So the harvester right now. I mean, this isn't even in the demo, so it's not that big of a deal right now. But I do need to solve it. So, may as well. Harvester. So yeah, this pumps shit out the back, but the problem is that it's not actually going out the back into certain things. So yeah, I mean it's not working for certain things like Mr. Extractor over here. And I wonder why. Like it works for conveyors, I think. But not extractors. Alright, let's get that coal. Yes, sir. Let's see if we can solve this. God, fuck it, damn it. My old hotkey memory. Yeah, like why is... Yeah, that's... Okay, so that's just dumping it out the back. It's not putting it into the inventory, which is probably a one-liner. We'll see. Alright, let's put you in. That was the wrong spot. Alright. So it's working on conveyors, but it's not working elsewhere. On the extractors. And that's probably just a dumb thing. Okay. Conveyor. Yeah. Alright, well, that's why it's not working. Because I don't actually have this. To do rest of slots for instead of taking the conveyor storage slot. Oh, I don't think we need to do that. Maybe we do. I don't know. Anyway, so we have 2 slots. Items 1 and 2. That's all that's on the conveyor. Yeah, that's 2. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it should just be this, and then we say extractor, and then that should fix things. And this only has 1 thing along it at every point, so we can actually go to the second slot. And now, that should be fixed. Also, putting these into an inventory instead of dumping them out the back is probably a better idea. So, like, having an internal inventory for these guys. Instead of dropping them. So that would be pretty easy. We just go extractor, attempt extract. If yoinky equal nil, then we yoinky sploinky on the ground. So we can just comment that out and it'll be fine. Actually, no. This is an extractor. I'm fucking talking out my ass right here. We're looking for the harvester. Okay. Replant seed. Planty plant. The attempt fails, we dump out the back. So this, we just comment out. So now, it'll store in an internal inventory when this guy grows up to be a big boy. We just opened up the wrong guy. Yeah, this needs work. Oh. So now that goes in an inventory like that, right? And if we destroy it, we would get it back. But this moment it's ready, we should. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that lovely extraction goodness right there. Huge. Alright. So that should be a basic fix on some of the automation issues, I think. I don't know if this is going to break anything if it gets dumped out the back. Or if it doesn't get dumped out of the back. It should be fine, because we have the conveyors. Should wear out, Matt. Maybe we even make it so that things on the ground get automatically put onto conveyors. I don't know. I don't know, man. I just work here. This is not getting replanted for whatever reason. I think on the second run around, I think we're hitting the classic issue of it doesn't have a seed that it is replanting. Original seed item for this plant is equal to the item data.kind. Which makes me think that that is not actually what we're after. Yeah. Set up grass. I mean, maybe it's fine. Maybe I'm hallucinating right now. I guess we'll just leave it running for a bit, see what happens. Oh, we got a warning in the shader. Interesting. So that replanted fine. I guess we'll see what happens. Okay. What am I doing? What was I literally just about to do? I have no idea, man. Alright, well that's replaying fine. I think... I don't know what was happening. But that should be fine. I was about to do something, I just completely forgot. That's alright. It happens. Oh shit, what the fuck, bro? I think my alt key was stuck. Interesting. Maybe when we hit the end, we should pop these guys off. I don't know. Anyway, I think that is a fix. I hope. I don't know what the issue I was running into was earlier with the carrots. Like, it didn't actually shoot out the back until I went and picked up the seeds, which is a bit weird. Very strange. But it's alright. We'll cross that bridge another day, I guess. It's probably got something to do with the reason why sometimes the gold just stays on the floor. And it's kind of weird. But yeah. Anyway, that's that. Click to hold. Fixed. Extractors not having really fixed. Harvesters not going into extractors. Alright, so the big issue now I think is solving the world save problem, because the issue right now with me pushing an update is that someone could be playing the game, and this happened earlier today. Rest in peace, Ivo. Or Evo, sorry. RIP. He was playing, I pushed an update, completely fucked his entire save. So, we at the very least need some kind of like... I don't even know, man. Like... I mean, it's honestly kind of expected behavior at this point. It's just kind of jarring, right? So, it would be nicer if it didn't just corrupt or just delete the world save. It would be nicer if we had some kind of like you actually hit play on the game, Minecraft style, and it has a list of all the worlds that you have. And it would just be grayed out and you wouldn't be able to load it up. That would at least be better than the alternative of it just eating shit. But I don't know. Actually, tell you what, we could just have a warning. We could say this save is outdated. By continuing, you are killing the save. Yeah, that's what I did in Arcano, and it worked fine. So we're gonna do that. So, confirmation of killing the old world save on startup. That's what we need. That'll make it more shippable. Oh yeah, that'll do. And then I don't really know how we would go back versions. I have no clue. Like I can keep old versions in there. I don't know. But yeah, thing is to update you have to like hard refresh anyway, so. Seems a bit too dark. Yeah. Yeah, we could do something about that. Smell premature optimization. Yeah. What was I even thinking about? I just completely lost my train of thought, dude. It's over. Or versioning, right? Yeah. I don't think you need to be able to go back a version. I think it's fine. Like, I don't know why you'd want to do that. Maybe you do, but we just say no. Sorry. Actually, the solution here, switch to Steam for the full game. Cool, now we're on a real platform. Great. GG. Alright, at the very least, I do want the warning for killing the old world save. Do we even need the warning? I don't know. Either you experienced this firsthand. What do you think? Do we need to have a warning in there? Confirmation of like, you hit the play button, it's like, hey, we're on a new thing. Continuing will kill your world save. I don't know. Think so? Yeah. Cause it's just like, it's too jarring if it just fucking kills it. It's like an assault. Just unconsensually, unconsensual deletion of world save. The version spot? No, we're not gonna do that. I want to be the one to go and shoot it out the back. Yo. All right. Okay. Let's do it. So load world, load GS from disk. This should only get called in one spot, really. So that's this right here. So if not world, alright, this is the fucking line of code that completely arse-raped you earlier this morning. If it fails to load it from disk, it just fucking, we just do a new one, bro. We just run it. Alright, so we need to insert something in between here, which is like, yo fam, we're gonna do a little something here. I don't know what that's gonna be. I'd say we probably just insert something in here. We say your case, new world version warning. If, oh yeah, the problem here is it doesn't discriminate between if it's just not on disk or if it's failed to load. So we need to discriminate a bit. So I think the play here, to get, we do an equals dot in-game at some point, right? If not GS allocated, okay. I mean, we could do it from the play button. Yeah, we probably want to do it like right here, right? So what we could do, instead of going to the in-game, we could go into the new world version warning. Attempt load old game. If it fails, do version. Else, carry on to in-game. Old chap. That's what we're after here. Huge. Alright, I need to fucking nut this out before it's bedtime, so we can get the game up. Also, before I forget, draw player. I'm gonna push a tiny little light, just so y'all don't fucking complain, right? Bunch of pussies, bro. I swear. Let's get him a little bit of dark. Come on, man. Fall off. That's fine. We can leave it by default. I think that should be maybe fine. We'll see. Alright, let's see. Nighttime. I'll do 20. What else we got? We got intensity and fall off that we can drive. Intensity, yeah, let's do that. And then fall off. I think we'll leave. Let's see. Okay. There you go. You happy? You got a little nightlight now. Is that good enough? Or is it too dark? I guess it depends on your monitor brightness, right? And like where you are. Like if you're outside, you might be squinting right now. It might be kind of sus. But let me know. We will run it and see what happens. All right. So, load GS from disk. We really want like a, yeah, we just want to break this up a little bit. So I'm going to say load GS from disk. Result is equal to this, and we're going to return, instead of a bool, it's going to be a enum. Result enum either loaded, failed, or none. Okay. AFGS allocated. Do we manually clear this? I'm not sure. We might accidentally. We might be relying on this to zero state. Let's see. Yeah, we reset the world. How do we do that? It might just be zeroing. No, it's a knitting game state. That's fine. Okay. So we can safely kind of just yeet. And it'll be fine. Okay. So, I mean, the game state, it really shouldn't be allocated. So, yeah. If it is, I don't know how the fuck we got here, dude. I'm gonna set that. Alright, Ralph. Let's do it. Init le game state res. Alright. So, failed to load world. So at this point we return failed. This we also return failed because the game state changed. Actually, this would be failing to read a file. So it would actually be chill. Like this is, we just don't have anything in there. None. Read entire file. Yeah, it's just not there. I mean, I guess that's the difference between failing to read a file and there not being something. So I'm probably going to discriminate against that. OS exists. Path. If not exists, return none. That way, it's a bit more clear. And then, yeah, at the end, we've successfully loaded the world. So we'll put a success here. Or just a loaded. I would prefer to call this success. Suck. The great suck. My favorite. Alright. So, load GS from disk. Res. If res is equal to failed, then we're gonna kind of just like hang here and draw some shit. We need to put this around the state entry as well. If what state entry is state entry, and do all this. Okay. Yeah, dude, I'm a big fan of discrimination. Yes, sir. All kinds of discrimination. Except the racial kind. Nah, I don't mind me a bit of racial discrimination. Nobody clipped that. The fucking cyberpunk music, bro. Man. I just fucking... I want that in my veins, bro. Give me the good one. No. Where is it? Ah, well. It's over, dude. It's over. Kebab Skull. And the homies pulling up. How we doing? What's poppin'? Just caught us in the middle of a little bit of racial discrimination. That's what we're doing in here. Now we gotta discriminate this code path, bro. Gotta figure out what's going on in here. Alright. So we need to give a warning to stomp over the world saves and let the user stomp them themselves. Otherwise, it'll be very sad. Alright, well, I can't even show the game because it's broken right now. So let's fix this real quick. New world version warning. Let's see. Okay, I guess the whole reason this is not working is because of this. If is state entry and I think I'm just gonna go. Oh yeah, I don't know, man. In game, I think I'll say state entry and gs.allocated. If it's not allocated, then we want to like back up. Dude, what's this even called? UX mode. Back up to the new world version. Warning. Why not? Doesn't have a UX mode? You kidding me, bro? Oh, it's app state. Okay. Alright, now we're backing it up. Like Cardi B. Huge, dude. Tremendous. Alright. Cool. That's getting cold every frame now. We love it. Alright, let's do it. So, on state entry of the new world version. Warning. If if we try load it from disk, if we fail, then we got to do a prompt. Fallback on prompt, right? So that's where we do the rendering for this guy. We just need to draw like a simple UI menu thing. Alright, so if we failed, blah blah blah. Else, I mean, if we succeeded, really, yeah, we just do an else if. Alright, fine, I'll do a switch. Okay, fine. Do a fucking switch. How about that? Case failed. Case suck. Suck? Go straight ahead, my friend. You're all clear. In game. Case none. We do the init game state. And then we go ahead. Okay. And then that's it. So case failed. Wait for confirmation from user to stomp old save. And now do thing. Okay. So yeah, this should just work, I guess. We're back. We're so back, dude. Why is this guy not finding me? Oh, here he goes. These guys are fucking useless, dude. I swear. Actually bad. Huge. All right. Yeah, so let's just render that basic UI. I mean, we're kind of gonna probably something that's similar to the settings, I guess. That's probably the closest thing I can think of. Push this guy. And we got the do settings. Kind of hype. Morning. Alright, so I'm going to do X, Y, screen, pivot, center, center. Oh, it flashed a warning for a second, which isn't actually what we wanted to do. I guess it kind of eats shit for a frame. It's an interesting jump scare. How do we want to do this? I guess like this is kind of a hack, so I probably shouldn't do that. So really what I should be doing instead is we go up here. We just kind of catch it up here. If GS isn't allocated, and app state is equal to in-game. Then we want to set this to the new world version warning. App state UX mode. Okay. It's still flashing that for a frame, which is a bit weird. Oh, right, because we're going... Alright, so now we're going into the world version warning, which is fine. But we want to get out of it straight away because we're loading shit, so... I could do a scuffed and just not render it. Could do that. So we just do that. So it'll just be blank for a frame now, which is fine. I can fuck with that. So, in fact, we can actually pull back what I was doing earlier, because that makes it easier to reason about. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Alright, so now, yeah, just UI, basic UI for the warning. Alright, well, let me simulate a game state getting fucked right now. Alright. We've done an update to the game. Warning. It's now just kind of blank, which is interesting. Or I guess because it goes here for a frame now. God, that's kind of fucked. All kinds of messed up, bro. We kind of need like a second intermediate thing, which is deciding where to go. Instead of this. Don't know what to tell you, man. I think, really, I could do this at the end. No. Really, I'd want to just break. But like out of this one, not this one. So, can I have like some kind of label? Up here, I don't know. Test. No way. Mode switch. Wait, so can I then do a break that? Oh, dude. 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 Alright. Now we're cooking with gasoline, dude. Alright, so if I back that up, we should... Oops. Okay. Still running. Chill. Alright. Dude, we're vibing. Okay. New version just dropped. You hit the refresh. You're excited. Oh no. Oh no. What's going on, man? Oh man. Well, warning. Then we'll just do some big text. New game version will overwrite previous save. New game version will overwrite previous save. Okay, warning, we're gonna crank that. Should I provide more context? New game version will overwrite previous save. Save upgrades. We'll just say in alpha. Updates will break a lot. And then new line. If you'd like to visit your old save. Too bad. No, we need some kind of like escape here. I don't know. Like maybe you save it onto your desktop or something. Yeah, I don't know. It would be nice if you save it, but it would take a while to figure that out. Since we're in alpha, each update will break. Updates are likely to break each save. Alex, undefined human, my friend. Thank you for the prime. Appreciate it. Legend. Updates will break each. Updates will break each world. Alpha updates will break. New game version will override previous save. Since we're in alpha, updates will break the saves. Dude, I'm so cooked. I like can't even think right now. Sure. Move on. Next, we need a button. BTN. Do button. Really, it's gonna be like the main menu actually. We have buttons for options and exit. You likey. Down here. Let's go. BTN size. Where are you, my friend? There you are. Onwards. There we go. Got two fat buttons right there. Delete. And new world. Back. So we'll make new world red. And we'll increase the button size here. Button size. I think there's auto sizes. How the fuck is this button size to find, dude? X, Y, small button. Ah, okay. Word. Can I stretch that? I don't think I can. So I kind of need to just make this text smaller. Where's the text scale coming from? I need me some of that. Oh, yeah, we could do something like that. This wouldn't do anything. I guess I can push UI state. Yeah, that'll work. UI state, text scale, 0.4. There we go. Alright, and I want to make this red. Kind of like a tint. Button, button, button. Draw rect, rect. Actually, yep, rect. Co-equal. Do a tint color, sure. Why not? Why not, dude? Look at we bowl. There we go. Kind of scuffed, but it'll work. Alright, back does absolutely nothing right now. Or we're clicking and it's trying to do something interesting. Or I think it's exiting the game. Yeah, that's app quit. Okay. Alright, app state.ux mode equal main menu. Okay, and then if we click on the new world, then we're essentially running it. So init game state. And we just fucking break a leg, dude. Off we go. Off to the races, man. Sweet. Alright, back. We can go there, play. Okay, so we can stomp over the world. And there we go. Beautiful. Alright. So that'll at least save things a bit. It's still not perfect. The ideal solution is obviously to not break the saves, but you know, since we're in alpha, it's just gonna be fucking break after break every single update. Most likely. I can mitigate that by putting in a new serialization strat, but I'm just kind of putting that off right now because I don't really see it as that important. I prefer to just keep moving quick and breaking things, honestly, because I think that's honestly what will make the game better, faster. Yeah. So that's kind of why we're in alpha here. It's just to like quickly iterate on shit and not really get too tied in like the slog of actually supporting thousands and thousands of people that are like on Steam, and they're expecting a playable experience, right? They want to come back to their world and keep playing. I of course want to do that. It's just that's not the stage we're in right now. So yeah, shit's gonna break, but I'm gonna keep moving fast and trying to do my best to add in as much content as possible. And yeah, that's that. Thanks for being a part of the alpha, boys. All right. Sweet. So yeah, let me pull that up a bit, and then that'll be that. Plus equal maybe like 50, something like that, dude. Yeah, sweet. Since we're in alpha, this will continue to happen for each update. This will, we'll say, likely happen for each update. Warning, this new game version will overwrite your previous save. This new game version will overwrite your previous save. Since we're in alpha, this will likely happen for each update. Additionally, we need an option here. If you'd like to go back, or if you'd like to save it, we can save to disk and maybe have some kind of like archive feature. But for now, you know, ideally we actually just support multiple world saves. Like that'll solve this problem a little bit better. But yeah, I mean, it's not important to me right now, right? What is important is making this game fucking a banger. Doing more shit, figuring out how to make it better. So that's that. That's what the priorities are. Okay, so we got confirmation killing world save on startup. Cool. World killing. We'll say old world versions now require confirmation to kill. There we go. Don't I have one monitor? Kinda. I have a second monitor, but it's like streaming over Wi-Fi on my laptop, so I don't use it. I just have it as OBS. So yeah. What does the sparse directive do? I have no idea. It stops compiler error from happening. That's what I know. So yeah. I think it's just a mock-up to say, yeah, dude, I'm like really doing this, even though this array is really fat, so please shut up. That's what I think it does. It might not though. I think it might do some like special mapping internally of arrays to make memory better. I don't know. Actually, I have no idea. I couldn't tell you. I should read the docs. I don't really care though. If the memory's fat, the memory's fat. Alright. New world. Yay. We're good to go. Okay, well, that should be good. Yeah, going in the option stops the world from being paused. That's interesting. Doesn't really matter. TBH. Okay. Well, that right there, ladies and gents, is kind of the next version, I think. It's a bit of a small one, but I also probably want to do a couple more things. Namely, the change cell to be E when you're near the hole. So yeah, let me just get this committed up, and then we'll see how we go for time on that one. I think we can get that in real quick. Why not? Okay. What did I do here? Was it just that? The world version warning? No, I added the click to hold as well. Fuck it, we ball, dude. Click to hold. World version stomp warning. Beautiful. Alright. Change cell to be E when you're near the hole. The thing that a lot of people have been requesting for quite some time. We are finally making it happen because we got a new interaction system, so we may as well make use of it. Yeah, so this is going to be a bit of a special case, but fundamentally we're still just going to use interaction, I think, to like make that happen. Oh shit, it's 8:30. Oh my god. This might have to wait. I think I might have to hop off. Yeah, because it's not going to be that trivial. Alright, let me just do it for 5 minutes and we'll see. Fucking half an hour later. that's what's going to happen. Alright, change cell to be E near the hole. Okay, okay. So, in order to do that, I think we just need to find the core hole, which is what I called him a while ago. This guy. And I think we just make it interactable. E dot yes, it's a bit of a special case, honestly. We got the function do sucky sucky, my main man. Just chilling, you know, commencing the suckening, all that kind of stuff. Good vibes. So we need to stop him from commencing the suckening without consent. So that's kind of not chill, you know. So let's do that. What made you switch from Dry to Odin? It was Wasm. I need that Wasm goodness, dude. What, the game? Dude, nice. Good shit, man. Should have an update coming out soon. If the click to hold goodness, it will wipe the shit out of your save though, if you've been playing, so bit of an L there. But thanks for buying, dude. Appreciate it. Jay supports Wasm? No, it does not. Not without hacking. And the hacking will definitely lead to shit just going wrong, and I didn't want to put up with it. No, Jai doesn't support Wasm, because John is very against anything web. So he doesn't want to put in the time to do Wasm 32. Because Wasm 64 isn't really... It's behind experimental features on all the browsers right now, I think. So it's not widespread. And he doesn't want to add YSM32 support. Because like, why go out of your way to do something like that? It makes perfect sense for what he's doing. It's just not a priority. But you know, maybe it'll come one day. So who knows? Who knows, dude? How you plant rock seeds? Yeah, okay. Tell you what. Rock seeds. Set up rock seed. Grows a rock. This makes sense. That's not helpful. Plant on stone. Ground. Yes. There we go. That should solve that problem temporarily. Tremendous. All right, let's do it. So, if the held item is in suck threshold, and can whole suck item commence the sucking? We don't want to do that. All right, we want to commence the consensual sucking by making this have a prompt to press E. That's what we want. It's gonna be a bit rough, I think, because it's kind of overloaded with this guy. So we actually do need to select it. So maybe we just choose a different thing, like a right click to throw in the hole. That's probably a better idea, maybe. Like you hold it up. Because then it would be in line with this. This you can actually do from anywhere, which is probably a bit funky, but so what do we want to have happen? Players in the game, right? I guess we got that. Okay, fine. What about this? What do I want to have happen right now? Well, I guess when we scroll this, we kind of want to have like a an E thing hovering over there. Now, I don't know, I kind of want like this can do E, but now I need to interact with this in a different way. So I can't just say that it's interactable, can I? I mean, I probably can, but it's not really interactable unless we've actually got something in our hand. So there's the kicker, right? There's the fucking kicker, dude. How do we solve this? It's interactable when we got something in our hand. I mean, I can't really just throw something in here because, I mean, maybe I can. Maybe this is above the interaction. No, it's not. Well, I can move it above, right? If I move it above, then we should be able to kind of like finesse our way in. And we should be able to get it feeling kind of ergonomic. Let's see. Let's see here. Interaction logic. Yeah, no. We need the E interaction, which is up here. So yeah, I mean, I can move that up there. I'm down, dude. So now in here, really I need to like live insert the entity interact UX, right? And then, yeah, if we press E, then we kind of just do the thing. I kind of don't want to do it there. Kind of want to be able to say like, yo fam, what up? Whole dot interactable true, and then we do this inline. That's what I want. Is that too much to ask? Probably. Probably. Probably not though. I don't know. It's kind of like we force E interaction. Maybe. I don't know. We would do that up here as well. So like if can whole suck item force interaction, right? Interaction true. And then in here, if interact, that's kind of where we're at, right? Force interaction. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a concept of doing this, just fucking manhandling the shit out of this system. We're gonna, let's fucking do it. Force interaction, throw it in there, call it a day. Just override it, mate. Just fucking slap it in there, mate. Yep. Yep. Or e.force interaction. Okay. If that is the case, overlapping dude, blah blah blah, not equal to nil. This key pressed. So at this point, I mean, I think we're just gonna implement it ourselves. So I'm gonna say if overlapping dude really if overlapping dude dot e force interaction if this isn't the case, then we're just going to handle it ourselves. So we're kind of just doing an override here, I think. Now I'm smelling a way we could clean this up in the future, but I think it needs a little bit more battle testing. It's got a lot of hacks in here. I'm thinking like we might be able to get away with doing some function slipping in, but for now, just gonna hack the shit out of it. It'll be fine. So, what I'm gonna do here, yeah, we're just gonna override it. Okay, chill. Yeah, if this isn't the case anymore, then we're actually just gonna like not force it. Actually, I'm gonna do this up here. False. Then we hit it, if true. And then force interaction. Okay, we have the wheel at this point, right? So we can just do a manual if key pressed, blah blah blah. Do the thing. Can hole suck item, force E interaction. Okay. At this point, we don't care about the threshold. This gets replaced with, are we doing something? Like, are we in range? Overlapping dude, active interactable. So we're gonna do this. If this is equal to hole, then we're the active interactable, so we want to be able to just run it at this point, right? So this will commence the circuiting. Beautiful. Alright, and there's a lot of things we can do here, I think. Should be good. Namely, we need to do the tutorial hint. Yeah, look at that. I just overwrote the old save. Cool. Yeah, so we need to be able to like that's not doing shit right now, but we'll see. Can hole suck item, yeah. Force interaction, okay. Active interactable is equal to hole. How do we get? How's a man get his dick sucked around here? Okay. Force interaction. Overlapping dude not equal to this. Active interactable. Yeah, that should be fine. It's not fine now. Because of this, I think. Maybe. I don't know. So we're gonna do a little or. Should at least. There we go. Awesome. So it's not actually doing anything though. But that should be fine. Dude, where is this getting set? Oh, it's active. It's not hovered. That's right. I forgot about that. Yes, we want to bubble this up to dot hovered interactable. Almost handle to entity overlapping dude. Get rid of that. Oh, entity to handle. Okay, we're chill. This now goes to hovered interactable. Oh god, fucking damn it. Come on, man. Why you gotta do me like that? If overlapping dude, snuck to nil. Alright, happy. There you go. Beautiful. So we just gotta make that more intuitive. Like from a distance, I want to show the E instead of it being nearby. I mean, this should be fine, I think. I don't know. It should be enough to hover this. All right, sell price. All right, how do I sell this? Oh, there we go. Like that should teach it. I think. We'll see. It should do a better job of teaching it than before. That's for sure. Because it's not automatic. It's an actual action, so you won't accidentally get it sucked out. You won't accidentally get sucked off. Which is good. It's not that good, but I don't know. Should be fine. Alright, there we go. That's right there is some consensual sucking. I like it. Beautiful. Well, that's doable. Whole now needs E to sell items. Okay. And last but not least, just make iron plant straight up drop iron ore. I don't know. Some of you guys who've played the full game maybe can weigh in here. What are your thoughts on this? Should we just make the iron plants drop the iron ore? Or should we keep what we currently have, which is it drops iron essence, you have to combine it with stone and then craft it? I think we could probably keep it. I think long term I probably want to overhaul it somehow, because I've heard complaints that it's too many steps right now. I mean, the whole goal was, I guess, to automate it, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, man. Don Ho, what up? How we doing, boys? Seen people use WASM 64 to 32 converters with good results. maybe. I'd have to try it out and see what happens. I don't know, man. Like, it's just an extra way that things can go wrong, and it's already so precarious even in Odin, just natively like doing WASM 32. And it's kind of nuts. Like, I don't feel like it would work for an actual like massive project with a fuck ton of dependencies in the real world. Because I struggle to get this to work, man. Like, it's rough out there. This website, fucking weeks and weeks of blood, sweat, and tears to get this working, and it barely works. It's fucking band-aided together, dude. It's rough. But yeah. Alright, I think we're gonna ship. Are you feeling the water? Have you discovered what the shovel does yet? Or no? Are you still questioning after using the shovel? You got a shovel? Have you used the shovel on anything? I can dig. Okay. Have you alright, so you picked up dirt. Have you placed it down yet on anything? You can't place dirt. Okay, sweet. That's the issue. That is the El Problema. Let's see. Okay. I see what you mean. That broke at some point. Good spot, dude. Nice. Alright. Dude, at some point, I'm gonna need to, like, feature freeze the demo and, like, never touch it again. I keep breaking shit. But I mean, I guess it's fine now because I'm, like, actively trying to improve the demo, so it's gonna be fine. But at some point in the future, I'm gonna have to, like, feature freeze it so I don't accidentally, like, keep fucking shit up. But yeah, this is a problem. Oh. Alright, you can do it. It's using the old system, though. Of doing that. Alright, I need to change that. Because that's bad. Let's do that real quick. Yeah, it's not using the new system. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Building logic. And then we got block placing logic. Okay. Can I just swap in whatever I need here? Held item, like, can I just kind of plonk this in? Is that gonna be fine? So we'll change held item data to be, instead of GS held item, we're gonna do get held item. Which gets the actual held item. Alright. And then we'll swap that in with this guy. So that should fix. Yep, there we go. It's doing a left click there, so that's an no-no. We need that right click, bro. Alright. We're back, dude. We're so back. It's not taking it from there, though. So, place an is true, kind, GS held item amount. So at this point, get held item. There we go. Upgraded to the new system. It's not really that new because it was like 2 weeks old at this point, but there we go. Fixed. Awesome. There you go, good sir. Oh boy, my fingers are tired from fingering the rock. Yeah, wait like 3 minutes and I'm about to push an update for it. I don't get any more coins. Is that a bug? It shouldn't be a bug. I mean, it is a bug, and I should fix it. I don't know, man. What's the actual issue? Do you have a full inventory? Because I saw them stuck on the ground earlier as well, and I don't know what the go is there. Got a full hotbar. Okay. Item. Can pick up. Can store something in slots. Existing stacks. Slots. Inv slots. Get place storage slots. Yeah, it should take into account the inventory. Weird that it isn't. Also just shouldn't matter because we're gold. So let me probably just override it. Pick up items. Play pick up. Can pick up. Cooldown end time almost equals this. Can pick up. Can throw such. Alright, only pick up we have room. Can pick up or the kind gold. Or can pick up and kind not equal to gold. Then we check. This is so scuffed. I have to rewrite this whole thing, but it's fine. It's fine. This is fine. Alright, so you should be able to pick up no matter what now. I hope. We'll see. See how that plays out. It might be something to do with the enemies picking it up. That might be making them stuck on the ground. I don't know, because I saw this issue earlier and it baffled me a bit as well. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But hopefully that should be a fix. So attempt fix for gold not being gold can now be picked up no matter what. Maybe. What a roller coaster of a sentence. Happens surely after buying inventory upgrade. Interesting. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's a bug. That's a fat fucking bug right there. Holy shit. That's rough. Good spot, dude. Tell you what. I'm gonna make this dynamic. So that way we can just do this and not ever run into that bug again, because that is fucking dirty. Inventory slots, hotbar slots, slot in. Pen slots, slot, inventory, hotbar, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, we kind of still want to return a slice. Okay. So we got the inventory slots first, and then we keep going by just appending these guys in. So we just merge the arrays. And that should hopefully fix it in future. But yeah, that was the issue, I think. I guess I gotta test to see if we can still pick up shit and everything works. Alright, let's do the old upgrade dance. Let's see. What do I want to pick up? Alright. So I'm going to upgrade this guy. Okay, so we should be able to pick up. Cool. Now let's test this. Sure, there's no nasty bugs lying around. Nasty, stinky buggies, dude. Yeah, I think we should be chill now. We'll see. We should be chill. Sweet. Guy I'm playing straight drop right now. I think that's that big of an issue. We can do that later on. I'd like to do an R to rotate. Tooltip. Especially for things like this. It won't be too hard. Let me do that real quick. Where am I going? Look at the sprites. I remember doing this a while ago. Holy shit, this is ages ago. Progress arrow, insert icon, arrow tooltip. Now let's see what this guy is. Markers for building, okay. Marker, tooltip, that also works. So, if kind, or if data dot rotate, if rotate settings not equal to no rotate. What the fuck? Right. Yeah, because we might just have horizontal in the future. Okay. Alright, if it's not equal to no rotate, it means we rotate. So, therefore, I'm just going to hard code a dingo right above. We're going to say pos plus 24. Ah. That's it. No more context. That's all you need. Pivot, bottom center, sure. Let's do it. Data, not rotate. Okay, go time. Let's do it. Yep, that's where it's at. Alright. Lock and loaded. Plus it by maybe 8, actually. It's kind of annoying once you figure it out. Really, the only thing people were struggling with was the extractor. This guy, well, the harvester, sorry. How to solve that? I'm not really too sure. Yeah, I mean, we could keep it up. It's kind of annoying, but I guess we could just shrink the size and make it a bit more chill. And that should be fine. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. That should at least clue people in to the rotation now. Bit more accessible. Dude, we're just fucking nutting out these tiny little issues that are blocking people from playing the game. It's pretty fun. Piece by piece, we'll squash them all. We're gonna make something that's playable. Alright. Well, I think that's everything. I think we can ship the latest version. B11. Rotate. R to rotate. Hint. Awesome. How long have you been developing this game? 55 days, but 16 of those was just doing web dev stuff. Actually more than 16. We also spent a week doing WASM. So in total, actual dev time on the game has only been something like probably a month. Yeah, like a bit over a month maybe. Been fucking flying through it. Inventory thinger. Dish. Where is this? Is this in a play UX? Okay. So set up chest. Chest UI per entity. Actually, I want to go to the interact. This is going to be a hack, but it'll be fine. If interactable equal chest. Just gonna throw this in. Auto open the inventory when you open a chest. That didn't do anything. That did something. Okay. Active interactable. We're setting it to something. I don't know, man. My brain's about to explode at this point. I'm gonna call defeat on this one, and we'll do that another day. All right. Let's see, what do we got? Did a bunch of stuff, really. Squashed bugs, improved UX, big W's. around, bro. Yep. Amen. So with that, I am officially incrementing the version number. And we're gonna ship it up and call it a day. Let's do it. V 0.11. Push that fucker up. Up you go. Build web full release and demo. It's going, dude. It's so going right now, bro. It's going so hard. Dude's fucking going. Oh, man. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. You can do it. Come on, I'm scripting. You could do it. 20-second build types. It's rough out here, man. As soon as we touch the web, build times go up. It's what it is. All that JavaScript. Nah, actually, I don't even know what the fuck's going on here, man. Just linking too much shit, I guess. We have a lot of libraries we're linking to right now. Circle. Bunch of circle stuff. Bunch of STB, rectpack, image, true type. And we got fmod. Bunch of stuff. Alright. So that's copied over. So let's switch to repo. We're gonna walk into the other one. We're on the website. We got some nice fucking JS coming in hot here, dude. Now I should be a good boy and actually fix the cache on this, because this won't bust the cache right now. We kind of have to rename this to a different version. Let me do that real quick, actually. I can just do it manually each time for now. And it should be fine. Let's see. If I do like a public game, if we just change this to game dash v0.11, v0.11, that should fix. It just means I'm gonna have to in here put a cache buster, game files. There we go. Did that. Oh, lovely, lovely Next.js. My old friend. Game frame. Dude, where am I? Tell you what, I can search for /game. Here we go. /game/release. Oh, alright, that's a problem I just spotted. It's relying on us having /game there. That's an L. Uh-oh. Stinky. Yeah, I want to keep that. So we're going to do /game, and then we're going to subfolder this to v11. Okay. Oh, dude, that's such an L. I didn't even... Oh my god. This is all kinds of fucked up. You could technically get the full game right now. There is no checks going on with that. That's alright. We fix. So I think I'll change this to has path in title or something. I don't really know what to do here. We can do just a these guys. That'll be fine. Okay, what else we got? To-do. This will break. You fuck. I don't even know where to put that. Note. Before ship. Update. Search for the actual / game path. There's a lot. Shipping new version of manual labor here. Okay. Alright. So here's where it's happening. So we can do a game / V11 demo, V11 full. Alright, let's see. V11 full. There you go. I feel like I'm performing surgery here. Something's gonna break. But we should be out here busting the cash, fam. I guess I should really test this to see if we're still chill. Alright. 1 sec. The music stopped. What happened there, bro? Made a custom site, yeah. It's good fun. You play a new version? Yeah, you should be able to refresh soon. It's not up yet though. I'm just fixing some things. It will break your world save though. Each new version will break world saves at the moment. So, Sag, don't refresh if you want to keep playing this current save. Okay. Boo doo 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 doo. Right. Demo V11. We are cooking. Can buy the full game. Let me sign in and get this shit bought. In dev. Will be that stripe action. 4242, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I just hit an arrow. Oh, because I already bought the game. Okay. That's fine, I guess. Okay. I think it works. I think we're ready to cook. Bro, why is it? Why is shit picking up into there now? It's annoying. God fucking damn it. I fucked that up. Where am I going? I'm struggling. I'm struggling, dude. Get player storage slots. Okay. Inventory slots and then hotbar slots we penned afterwards, which we want to do the reverse of this. That's why that just broke. First, we have the hotbar slots. Then we append the inventory slots. Okay. We do a full fucking rebuild for that. Yo. Reset. Make sure that works. Okay, we're cooking now. There we go. Alright. Take two. Let's see. Let's go. Rebuild this motherfucker. Except it's now gonna go into the wrong spot. But that's alright. That's alright, dude. Playful game will go to URL. Yeah. Yup. Sag. I don't think it would actually work if you went there right now. I think it would probably crash. There is a way you could do it though, I think. I don't know. Please make it so saves carry over versions don't want to keep resetting. Yeah. I'm working on it. For now, the solution is gonna be like to actually just reset each save. But yeah, it's gonna be a bit of work to get that set up. It shouldn't be too hard, honestly. And it would be worth the effort. Yeah. But for now, it's one of those things where it's like, I mean, since we're in alpha, I just have to kind of keep breaking shit to move fast. And that's kind of just a reality. So it kind of sucks. Alright, we built. Maybe I just push less updates. Maybe that's the solution here. We just... less updates less often. I don't know. We do fatter updates. So it's not like you're resetting every day. I don't know. I don't know what the fix is here. You could also just make it so that you could stay on one version if you wanted to keep playing that. I don't know. That's bad. So, yeah. No idea, dude. No idea. Anyway, let's get this guy fucking paste it in here. In you go, buddy. Alright, full game M demo should be there. I think I'm good to just rip it and ship it. Alright. In theory, nothing should have changed. I hope. I'm just gonna push domain though. Spray and pray, boys. V11. Fucking push up to prod, mate. Up you go. Yeah, if I could get in there, cunt. Alright, don't refresh if you don't want the game to break. Keep playing, but yeah, this is gonna break. So, yeah. Big L. Dude, what is happening here? Oh. Diving into the diff. Okay, I see. Alright, I'm gonna check to deploy. We'll see what happens. Look at that. There she goes. Building. Yo. Looking gangster, dude. Why you gotta hate this emote, bro? Come on, man. How do you even do emotes in Twitch? I've never sent an emote on Twitch in my entire life. Oh yeah. There we go. What about the Peepo G? What's the note taking one? That's my favorite emote. Oh, type this first. There we go. Yeah, Peepo G. Yeah. That's my favorite emote. I like that one. That's good. What else we got? No poggies. No poggies allowed, dude. What the fuck? Man chicken. Hello? Why is that there? That's insane. Phil's birthday, man. We're just sitting there chilling while we're waiting for our fucking shit to build. The life of a web dev right now. Yeah, let's play some fucking match the cards, bro. Oh shit. Fishy? Fishy's over here. No. Oh dude, it's so over. I didn't match a single one, man. I'm a failure. Alright, well, good news, fellas. The production of B11 up and running. GG. Well played. That's the changelog right there. Yeah. Alright, let me dump that in there. V11. Torches. And a bunch of UX. Up and running, dude. Alright. Alrighty, fellas. Terrafactor.rating.gg. It's up. Play the demo right now. buy the full game if you fuck with it. Yeah, enjoy. That's gonna be me done for the day. I'll be back here tomorrow, cranking away on V12. So, yeah, that's it. That's a wrap. Or unauthorized. Got him. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some sleep, dude. That was a fun little crank sesh, though. Peace out, boys. Take care. I think that is all I have to say. I feel like I'm forgetting something right now, but I think we're chilling. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. I'll be back here tomorrow, though. B12. Dude, we just shipped 2 updates in one day. How fucking insane is that? I just did a double whammy. This morning, I woke up. Bang. V10. Cranked for the day. Bang. V11. That's what it's all about. Alright. I'm gonna get some rest. Peace. Ay, ay, ay. How do I stop stream? Where's the stop stream button? I guess I'll leave it on. No, fuck you.